If you like my last video, I'm going to do one identical to that. This does not mean all my videos are going to be like this. It's just I'm out for another photo shoot with my youngest son, Damien. He's getting the pictures, and I'm going to get the beauty. So you'll see my face now and at the end of the video. But I will be talking through these. I'm going to try to get better shots than I did the last one. Yeah, let's just enjoy it, y'all. Walking across the little bridge. Now, the first time we was here, this bridge was in better shape. And it was actually water over here. But look at these big, beautiful boulders. I would imagine these are natural to the area. Then again, I could be wrong. Big, huge pile of rocks right yonder there. Yeah, we're up here in Rising Sun, Indiana. This place right here, my wife and I found back a couple years ago. We brought Stormy through here. This will be the second time Kit was here. This is more of like a jogger trail, y'all. Do not mow or spray. Now, there's a little teeny pond. It's up that way further. We will not be seeing that today. This place is absolutely beautiful. Now, there's another trail up that way. I've never hit it yet. Neither has Angie. And the reason we never hit it, because up until the last time we was here, we thought it was no trespassing. We thought somebody else owned the property. Well, we found out when we was here last in September, and nobody owns it but the city of Rising Sun. I could tell you this right now, beyond this shrubbery right here, that is a dried up creek bed. And seeing that the trees and the shrubbery's grown up inside, it's been dry for a long time. I wonder what dried it up. About 2 years ago, my wife and I was on the main road, and we seen the, I'm gonna say creek, that's way down that way, and we pulled over to this driveway to see if we could fish there, and that's how we found this place. We came back the very next day and walked all these trails. See, this is the trail we did not know you could hit. Yeah. We're headed right, there's a bench in case you need to sit down. Right over down that way. Now, when we first got here, that trail right yonder there was not exactly here. It was in the progress of being made. So we went down this one. And at the bottom of this, on the left-hand side, is a tiny little pond. Wish we could go there today, guys, but I'm not feeling it. This time of year, the honeysuckles are blooming. I have trillions of honeysuckle trees in my yard. They're beautiful and they smell wonderful. Oh, I kind of told a fib to you there, Damien. This actually goes back further than I thought. Whoops. This is absolutely beautiful. We're in the shade now. Yeah, the sun's a little hot today, y'all. It truly is. Oh, man. It is beautiful. And there's Kit. Yep. He's been sleeping all day, y'all. Yeah. I don't know if he's growing or what, but he's been sleeping most of the day. So he needs a good walking, I think, anyway. If not, he's going to be up all night. Can't deny how beautiful this is, though. I was just telling my son, Dame, I hope he's got a lot of photo opportunities. Now, you can see through this brushtree a little bit, more of that dried up creek bed. I will go down in there, but I don't think they will like that much. So whenever you're doing trails, they prefer you to stay on the trails. See how the brushtree all padded down? You can see where the deer have been running. So right there, what they will call a game trail. Now imagine they pretty much ran down through here and somewhere over through there and down straight to there, down to the creek. It almost looks like it goes into a dead end right there. Well, last time we was here, we went out this way. But I am wondering if that is a dead end, or is it like a tiny trail? On the way in here, I said there was a bunch of rocks right yonder there. Right there they is. And you can see a little bit better now, the dried up creek bed. And all the little trees growing in and out of it. And yeah, behind me here is a dead end. I imagine they probably cut this in so you can look at this. get the flowers and whatnot. Now this is the trail we're not so sure we'll be allowed on. We don't know if it's private property in there. Every time Angie and I will come here, we do wonder. I believe my son Justin went up there and read that sign. It didn't say anything, but maybe one day we'll take it. Okay, I'll give you guys some beauty here in a second. Once I get out a little bit further, what you're seeing right now is the creek right down yonder. Then you got the Ohio River. And can you see that smoke pipe over there? That's the state of Kentucky. Yeah. I've gotten this on my videos before. Lots. But you know what? Doesn't hurt to get it again. Now do it? No. Can you see how the trees over there is really dark? That's fascinating to me. Alright, let's swing the camera back around on me. I've had a long day today, guys. I am pooper. I'm tuckered out. Yeah, I had a busy day. Oh my gosh. Now when we first got here, there was a dog down on that road. Without a leash, no owner no owner nearby. And we had to wait a little bit to see what that doggy was going to do. I'm sure it wouldn't ever harmed my dog or my son or I. But you gotta remember, Kit is still terrified of dogs. He's been, by the way, I do have an update. He's met actually 3 dogs now. We went to my nephew's campsite. Did not get video of that because it wasn't feasible that day. But he went there and they had a little dog, and Kit seemed to get along pretty good with that dog. All right, guys, this will do it. Now my next video will probably be fishing, or it may be a graveyard. Yeah, I'm going fishing tomorrow, but it doesn't mean I'm going to videotape it. More than likely, I probably won't. I won't videotape every time I go fishing, but if I did catch something, I will show you in the next video. And the day after tomorrow, I have off, Angie has off, and we're going to probably try to find a cemetery. That's right. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this type of videos, let me know down below, and I will try to beef them up every time. Today, it wasn't a lot of beauty like yesterday, but still, it was some, right? Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.